Here we come to the elevator at the Rainforest Pyramid at Moody Gardens, which serves the 4D theater, which is known as the MG3D History. This is a Schindler 330 as well. Oh, and I still remember that door operator right there. You see the wheels right there? And that right there, I see the interlock for the hoistway door, and I believe that is for that latch for the elevator car. B2. It's gonna have to time out for a couple of seconds. One R is locked as well, as 1R opens into a kitchen, and I believe the basement is a private floor. You can definitely hear the theater from inside there. This thing was pretty increasingly difficult to film because so many kitchen workers are like literally coming in and out and in and out and in and out, making this thing painfully difficult for me to get a good video. Anyways, I want to show you that door operator right there. See? Watch this. Watch this door operator. Watch this thing. You see that latch right there? Alright, I'll let you watch it one more time. Wow, that is interesting. See, look how tall that door frame is, but this door frame is at a short height. All right, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.